Question 26, we need to identify the structure and the name of the compound. So first of all, I have a carbon-carbon double bond. We know this is alkene, meaning E-N-E. This is A-N-E, is incorrect. In fact, it should be ethene with the E-N-E, so A is wrong. The next one, this is alcohol. The OH there refer to alcohol. So I have all there. I have 1 carbon and 2 carbons, so it's a 2 carbon alcohol. Ethanol is definitely correct with a 2 carbon alcohol. On to the next one, which we obviously know is wrong already. There is no carbon-carbon double bond. There is no carbon-carbon double bond, meaning all are single bond. This is what you call saturated. They like to ask you what is meant by saturated. It means all are carbon-carbon single bond. There is no carbon-carbon double bond. When you have carbon-carbon double bond, that is what you call unsaturated. Unsaturated means you has carbon-carbon double bond. Anyway, so there is no carbon-carbon double bond. Ethene is wrong because there will be alkane. Because saturated hydrocarbon is alkane, we are looking at 2 carbon alkane. We are looking at ethane. So option A and option C has got the opposite name. They are wrong. D is obviously wrong because you can tell polyethylene looks like it's correct. However, you can count the bond. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Carbon is a group 4 element, so they form 4 covalent bonds. You always have to count the covalent bond, and the correct way to draw this polymer would be to show single bond like this and then open it up like that. Then you get 1, 2, 3, 4. This carbon has 1, 2, 3, 4. This is correct. This is a wrong structure. D is also wrong there. The answer is B.